So hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to plant some perennial early spring flowering anemone, and I'm going to reuse my lily potting soil because lilies cannot be planted in the same potting soil while they were growing if you already dug them out. So this is basically coir and some plant material leftover and some Osmocote, and I've already selected the plants I'd like to plant. Early December is not the best time to plant these anemones. They are in growth from early March till end of May or mid-June, and then they go dormant. And so these anemones are living in forests in Hungary and other parts of Europe, and they have these little rhizomes. You can already see the shoots. So like all perennials and lily bulbs, you want your anemone nemorosa, and this was wild collected from Romania. So you want your plants, like your muffins or bundt cakes, nice and moist and packed in plastic. So the Dutch grower already packed them in moist coir, and you can see that these rhizomes have buds and roots, and this is the shoot for next year, and the rhizome is going to grow in this direction. So Anemone nemorosa has these light brown rhizomes. Anemone ranunculoides have very dark brown rhizomes, and so that's how you can distinguish them. So I already have my name tags. I've mixed the planting soil, the coir, and I just put it like this. This is a 7-liter pot, so it's almost 2 gallons, and etiquettes, and I'm just going to spread these rhizomes vertically, no, horizontally, sorry. And you can see here that this has a bud there, so, and you can break them. I don't usually break them just after they went dormant, because then I can encourage the plants to grow more buds around the line of the broken rhizome. Oh, I still have a few. So I bought these because they were at the warehouse, had a discount sale, so they had like 30 to 50% off, and I just plant them now. And because I use coir, it is very good moisture retentive, so it will grow very nicely in spring. Here I have Anemone ranunculoides pleniflora. So this is the double form of the yellow wood anemone, and it's already been planted in September. So I'm just going to unpot it and show you how they normally look. So they look the same. These are brown, thicker rhizomes, and some of them have roots, but most of them are just dormant, and they're going to grow their roots in spring. So there they are. Put them here, nice. More coir at the top. So let's see, this one is Robinsoniana, so it's a blue one. I like it very much. In Hungary we have the yellow one, the Ranunculoides, the simple one, and the white one, which is Nemorosa. And we have a third one, but I don't have that one because it's a protected species and I don't have the permits to keep it. But I saw it's also a white one. But that one needs acidic soil and I don't have acidic soil. So once again, nice moist packed rhizomes, and I'm just going to spread them around. And interestingly, this one has these dark brown rhizomes, so maybe what was wild collected in Romania was not this species, but it was maybe Ranunculoides. We're only going to know that next spring. You can see that it has nice roots with white tips, white root tips, and the new shoots already forming. Okay, so this often happens with wild collected plants, that they turn out to be a totally different kind what they were selling them, and it's unfortunate, but it's part of gardening. Sometimes I usually don't buy flower bulbs now with color pictures, because about 50% of the time it's a different cultivar or plant entirely. So when you buy, for example, tulips, the hybrids look the same, so you don't know what you're buying just when they are flowering. So this one is also a nice one. Yeah, blue eyes. It's a double one with blue bases, and just more soil on top, little compacting. And this one is also Robinsoniana, which was planted in September. And just showing you how they look if you plant them in September. It's the same when you plant them now, but they usually have a better root system or establishment when you plant them, because some of them already started to make new roots. Okay, and one more left to go. This one is Lipschiensis, and it's supposed to be a hybrid between Ranunculoides and Nemorosa. Interestingly, I feel that Nemorosa flowers a little bit later than Ranunculoides, so they don't flower at the same time. So I'm very curious if it's really a true cross between the two species or a cross between a different species, because in nature they don't flower at the same time at all. This one will have nice butter yellow flowers, bigger flowers than Ranunculoides and bigger than Nemorosa. So I'm hoping that some researcher who is working with Anemone Nemorosa and Ranunculoides will going to do the molecular identification, and we'll have a clearer view of this. So one more thing, I'm a professional. My profession is horticulture, but life is tough for me because I don't like to work in cold and wet environments. And here we are in December working very cold, wet soils. So when I was young, I imagined horticulture is like, oh, you can work with flowers and nice and warm in a greenhouse or something like that, but life turned out to be different. I still enjoy life, so if I wouldn't enjoy myself working with plants, even in cold, wet times, I wouldn't do it, but you see I'm doing it, so. Oh, and this is my mother's lily. I have to plant this. She unpotted this because she thought the pot was empty and the lily was already dormant. So she left it outside, drying the bulb, and I just put some coir over the bulb so it will keep moist. And I'm giving back this one to her because I don't know what cultivar is this, and she enjoys plants without names. She enjoys the plants for their flowers, not because they're some exclusive cultivar or something like that. So that would be all for today. Thank you for your attention, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.